Year: 1984 make, Cadillac model, Eldorado Biarritz color, autumn maple firemist mileage, 8,471 stock number, 4070666_Biarritz engine, 249 CI 135 HP V8 transmission, 4-speed automatic. Highlights: spectacular original condition displaying only 8,471 actual miles. Just released from its one and only owner, the first Cadillac convertible since 1976, one of only 3,300 built. Meticulously maintained stunning factory color combination. Excellent documentation includes original gold key delivery portfolio with owner's manual, original window sticker, original Cadillac gold keys, original title from the first owner, receipts and more. Recently serviced, performs like new, one of the best examples that can be found on the market today. A collector's dream. Options include climate control, air conditioning, cruise control, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, 6WAY power driver's seat, power mirrors, power locks, illuminated entry system, new VOGUE tires, AM, FM radio with cassette door edge guards, power 4 WHEEL disc brakes.